Hey Sagittarius, welcome to my channel Amaran Celtic Tarot. I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm gonna do your tarot card reading for the upcoming month. This is our timeless reading. So, from whenever you are watching this till the next 30 days, it will work for you. Okay? And keep in mind that this is a general reading, so take what resonates with you and leave the rest. Let's begin the reading now. For your cards, here are in the bottom of the deck is Three of Swords, then Queen of Cups, the Empress, Four of Cups, Page of Cups, Seven of Swords, the Lovers, Strength, Ace of Swords, and then Knight of Wands. Let's see your past scenario. In the past, you were quite rigid in your ways in terms of living your life, but deep down your heart wanted any partner whom you could belong to, and you could say that he or she is all yours, but on the outside you never showed this desire of yours to anyone. Rather, you tried to make a very strict image of yours, like you had no emotions at all, but you was interested in someone and was waiting for him or her. You was doing job at higher post or running your own business. I have seen in your cards, but you are quite knowledgeable person that you had got many degrees for to show in your resume. Means you are a very qualified person. But in the past, as I'm saying that you was cheated on many times by people and you spent a lot of time to overthink about it also. You also spent your time to think for to expand your career, and you had analyzed all the efforts and hard work you had put in your career. At, at the same time, you was thinking about that person also, whom with you wanted new start in your life, but you to not getting what you wanted, you had suffered emotionally. You even cried for that particular person because that person was all that you ever wished for in your entire life. You wanted to commit to that person, but you had no contact with him or her. You had felt loneliness and had felt really a big loss of yours. You asked to God to help you in regards to this so that you could be able to turn your relation into reality. You wanted to give that at least one chance because that person was true love of yours, and you had no doubts in this. And in the present moment, you are very heartbroken and really into your emotions right now, that your love for that person has increased even more than before. And in the upcoming month, your focus will be on that specific person only, whom you want to marry with. If even you already sees him or her as your spouse and you don't want anyone else to replace that person in your life, you will be spending most of your time alone in the upcoming month, as I'm seeing here in your cards. And universe is saying you not to involve in any kind of love offers that people might try to give you in the upcoming month. As I have seen in your cards that people who have not good intentions for you will try to distract you by giving you love offers and to get more chances to deceive you so that you couldn't get stable life at all. They they want to disrupt your life fully. So be careful whenever any love offer comes to you, and simply avoid that, okay? And you will be needing to accept in the upcoming month that some people have bad intentions for you, so direct your life accordingly and don't take your life for granted. Respect yourself and avoid interacting with that kind of people, okay? And it might possible that there will be some troubles in reuniting with your person because some people are in between you and them. And it might possible also that they are the people who had created misunderstandings between you two. So open your eyes and become a responsible person to take your life decisions accordingly. And for this, you will be needing strength. and courage to act upon your plans and to fulfill your desires. So be brave, and universe also is saying you to communicate with that person clearly, without hesitation, and with complete honesty, and go ahead in your life with full creativity and passion. Ace of Swords with the Knight of Wands together, representing that you will be needing to have clear and heart to heart conversation and communication with your person. So don't hold yourself back, but rather take action courageously. Okay? And one thing to all the Sagittarius and Moon rising out there, it might possible that it is for a specific person, because this is a general reading, so it may or may not resonate with every single person out there, obviously. But while doing your reading, I got curious that if you do love someone, then why God is saying to avoid love offers from people. Then I drew some extra cards to see that how does your person feel about you. So let me tell you that he or she is in any kind of trouble, that that person is not able to take any action, but that person also cries for you, that person also loves you and really sad without you. He or she wants to reconnect with you because that person feels a soul connection with you and want a whole world with you. You are their whole world. He or she also wants to marry you. So congratulations, Sagittarius, and now replace that sadness with appropriate strategy, that how will you approach that person so that it could build up a solid relation between you two, relation of pure love, respect and trust. And your person could be of any sign, because there were all the signs in your cards, but mainly the signs were Aquarius, Virgo, Aries, Cancer and Scorpio. And if we could see in your whole reading, then Leo and Gemini are prominent signs in your reading. Leo with a strength card and the Gemini with a lovers card here. Okay, and for the months September, July, January, April, May, November might be important for you. And for the colors, blush pink, royal blue, peach, lavender, white and yellow. And for numbers 3, 4, 6, 1, 8 and 11 might be important for you. So stay sincere and loyal to you and spend time in nature. Okay? And there is one thing, you need to just believe in yourself to pursue your happiness in life. This is all you will need in the upcoming month to get your wishes fulfilled. Okay? For Sagittarius, Sun, Moon rising out there, so get ready for happy life ahead, because I'm seeing that both of you and your person, do love each other a lot. So congratulations and happy blessed life ahead for both of you, wherever, whenever you are watching this. My best wishes are with all of you. So Sagittarius, this was your reading. I hope this was helpful for you. If it does, then like it, share it and subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss out the upcoming videos. Okay? So just believe in yourself, do great things in your life and have a good day ahead.